Sean is them come for me with Mr. G. Out of the radio station, you know. So you're not even driving, we are record you today, you know. You are record today. On the new rhythm. So I say, I'm not serious. You might say, of course, Liquid, so when I hear song I play with you. And we tell you, so we record a long time. Yeah, I'm going on Sean Island. Where I'm going on Sean is at the same time, Cargo did I leave, you know. Sean is have the new rhythm one day. So I say, boy, Liquid rhythm done, you know. I want to voice you, you're the last person. So we did it with Mr. G, them and them I say, you have no idea. We try to make a song and, you know, it was one of my lyrics I normally use on the microphone and I show them and thing. Why if you walk out, me to stand up, hey, good, you know what I mean? The man them go hear the line, bro. From the man them hear the line, they were like, yo, I eat that, you know. And that you sing, you know. Try to make a song around that, you know. And we made the song around that. And it was, you know what I mean, it was Blackberry time. And, you know what I mean, Sean is them song kick out, Red Bull and that kick out and Cargo kick out, and then my song become the creeper. All I getting was waking up and seeing videos with girl fighting in party. Walk past the fight. The wife walk out.
Big song.
Girl. And you know what I mean? And they said go on with us continue work and to where we're at right now, as I say. To my first studio album. Seriously, no joke.
So this is your first one, because I know before you had put out a compilation style like DJ Khaled, the M Squared.
Yeah,
that was more. That was more
like a DJ Khaled style.
Yes.
Production.
But then now we have the big point of view. All right.
Yeah.
16 tracks.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's talk about that for a bit.
Well, point of view, you know, before I put out point of view, I put out an EP called Mobius Son, which, you know, I mean, that was like an introduction, Liquid the artist. That did well. That have like 1.4 million streams right now.
Okay.
And Spotify. But, you know, I decided to definitely, because, you know, the on and off thing sometimes, because the traveling and the working and the production and the radio, sometimes the people, them, not take it serious. So I kind of notice that I travel a lot or dep on the road a lot and people are said, Liquid, want to the new song, them, when I hear the new song, what you deal with? Dog, don't, hey, enough to stop singing out. I realize that the people them really interested and like me like that. So I decided to, the rhythm thing will kill me sometime. Because you know juggling go. So I decided to definitely I'll give them a full-length album, different vibes on me, that's what me feel, where I'm at right now. And, you know, give thanks to the quarantine, because I'm kind of sitting with myself and listen back where I was coming from and do a lot of improvement, bro. You know what I mean? Definitely. So. And
I definitely hear it, because one of my favorite songs on the album is the one you did with Dane Ray, Expensive.
Yeah. Expensive, you know what I mean?
The production, how you just flowed and then you overflowed certain lyrics. It was just that song right there, wicked song.
Well, that song was like one of the first songs we had. I mean, we had it long time, because me and Dane Ray did some work from where we recorded Epic on.
Okay.
And, you know, the vibe what me and Dane Ray had, I decided to say, yo, Dane Ray, you know, me I have to go work again, because I'm comfortable working with you and writing and the sound what we get. So me and Dane start work. We did a song named Spray, and the numbers don't lie. You know, he also recorded Loyalty Anthem. Yeah.
Big one.
You know what I mean? So Dane record like about 4 songs, and I just start work. And we decided to say, Dane, I use this for the album. This is one of the lead out single. This is really bad. It was produced by Luigi still. You know what I mean? Portmore Society.
Yeah. Okay. And I know you have other guests on the album, Beenie Man, Ishawna, Vershon. There's oh man, I'm going blank here. Your R&B song there with Konshens and
Yep. Yeah, the Verse Simmons, that, you know, big R&B writer, artist, producer. That song produced by me also.
Tracks.
Yeah.
Okay.
16 crazy tracks of flavor, everything. You know, we go everywhere. Damage Music produced songs on it. Birch. Zoom. You know?
And I see it's more like, could we just say right now that clearly dancehall music has changed? We don't sound like 1995 or even 2005 anymore. We're 2020 and the music sounds like 2020. So a lot of people want it to sound like what they're used to from 20 years ago, but everything's evolved.
No, we can't go sound that way, because we have a new experiences. It's a new time. New things are here. You know what I mean? Everything, new equipment, new vibes where we can sound better. We've been experimenting from those days up to now. So you must come up with new things and new sound. You must expect us to grow and change. Believe me. Look at the Benz. Benz from 92 is not the same shape as this year. So, you know,
You're right. So why
change
would
is
the music
inevitable.
stay the exact same? Exactly. You're 100% right on that.
Exactly.
You know
We
what
have
I
to
mean?
just keep the root, you know.
Because even in expensive, if you listen to it, you could hear the real dancehall in it, you know, but it's not super prevalent. But once you listen to it, you can hear, okay, it's playing the drum pattern like a dancehall song.
Yeah, but it's happy, you know. It's a up tempo. It's, you know, expensive is a real club banger, you know.
Yeah, you could hear that still. And with music videos, what videos are you working on for the album right now?
Working on Loyalty Anthem, Do Me Good, and we're working on the Vershon with Konshens. But right now we kind of paused that video because Sean Paul seemed like he want to jump on that track and give us a remix. So, you know what I mean? I said, boy, if Sean Paul jump on the track, you know, a trouble. We'll just do a bad video with Sean Paul and everybody. And so, open, you know what I mean? Sean Paul told me he like it, request the track.
Yeah.
And I said, yo, I'll shot it next week. But you know the thing go, I just keep my fingers crossed. Sean Paul always come through still.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Big. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.